just me, or when I think of the word veneer, I think of these. Hit the B-roll. Jones on the soundtrack. Yes, sir. Let's look up veneer. A thin, decorative covering of fine wood applied to a coarser wood or other material. I kind of get it, guys. I kind of get it. You see the brown. What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C-Notes. Thanks for checking me out. And I'm not going to lie, this feels like 4-year-old or 3-year-old deja vu. When I first started this channel 6 years ago, I reviewed this sneaker. As you can see in that video, the lighting ain't that good. I'm a little bit of an amateur. I kind of got the hang of it now. But same sneaker, same exact sneaker, same box. We're going to get into the 4K review and y'all going to see everything's the same, man. And being that I'm talking about when I first started the channel, I'm this close to 7,000, guys. So if you ain't subscribed, please hit it. It will mean very, very much to me in my heart, man. But you know, we don't do too much long talking over here. The Veneer's restock. The restock is so strange that on StockX, if you go to try to purchase it or even sell it, it says from 2020 to 2024. So they don't even know what sneaker you have. You probably don't even know what sneaker you have, because I guess it's the same SKU. I don't know, man. But let's unbox it, man. Hit the music. Unboxing time. Yes, sir. So it's not an SB, so we're gonna get that dark orange, light red box, which I don't mind, man. This box is so classic. This is like one of the original Nike boxes, so I like getting these from time to time. Big Nike on the front, on the side. You seen one, you seen them all. It reads Nike Dunk Low SP Veneer / Deep Purple. Basically all the colors in there. We already established that veneer is some kind of wood. When you think of wood, you think of brown. So that all kind of makes sense. And this was a part of that Ugly Duckling pack back in the days. When you flip open the lid, you get your white tissue paper. And let's start with the right shoe. Boom. The colors are so bright, but the texture and the material just makes it fine. It doesn't jump out at you because the colors the texture is just so flat. This is a dope shoe then, and it's still a dope shoe to me, man. Yes, sir. So let's start with the toe box like we often do. There go your veneer colorway, that brown. This material, you can go to sleep on this material, guys. It's soft. Listen. Oh my God, this material is crazy, guys. So yeah, brown veneer on the toe box, very soft nubuck. Around it, you got that green, and this is a dope green. You know, usually you at forest green or you at neon green. This is somewhere in the middle, guys, and that material is also soft. A little more braids than a toe box, of course, but soft, man. Very, very soft. That green is dope, man. So just like the toe box, the sandwich of the dunk has also that veneer brown in it with a dope Barney purple swoosh. Also great material. The whole sneaker is great in that material, except for when you get right here, the veneer turns into a mesh. Same color, but different texture. It's mesh at the back. Getting to the back, my favorite logo in the world, the OG Nike. I know it's just a classic logo, man, but I really, really like this logo. That's in that nice green, man. Very dope look. Under that is the nice purple. Then you get the veneer brown and that mesh. back to the green, back to the white like we get in almost every dunk. Speaking of almost every dunk, the bottom is the same as a Jordan 1, an SB, or a regular dunk. It's all purple. I feel like if it was an SB, they would have put the green in the inside or the veneer, but they kept it all purple here. The inside has like that slime green, or darker green far as the sole. And then you get the Nike logo, but around it, the sock liner is in that same green that we see on the outside. No, I'm sorry. It's in the slime green also around the sole, a little lighter than the green on the front. Around the soles, you do not get the SB technology because it's a regular dunk, but still dope to me. Comes with purple shoelaces, guys. I would have liked to maybe have seen the green also, but it's a dunk. Very rarely you get extra shoelaces with dunks like you get like with the Jordan 1 or the SB. But you get the purple, and I think the purple's fitting because I really like this swoosh. But the tongue is in the Veneer brown mesh, just like around it. You always get a mesh tongue on the dunk, mostly 99.95%. On top of it, the tag is green with the purple Nike Dunk logo. And that's how I got mixed with the greens. It was crazy. That was the right. This is the left. Nothing's changed. I could say the quality is great, man. I mean, it's not great, but out of a 10, I give it about an 8. I do see like little glue stains right there. But overall, with this nubuck suede, man, you gotta keep it nice, but it's good quality. Yes, sir. I know the whole video y'all was staring at my Laker hoodie. We lost, man, but we went out swinging. It doesn't hurt as much as it used to hurt. Maybe when I was like huge Laker, Kobe Bryant, but it did hurt a little bit. But it is what it is, man. The Veneers restocked, and when I brought them in 2020 or 2021, they were $100 flat. This time they was $115. That's showing you that sneakers are going up in price because I guess they trying to make more. As you can see, every last Jordan that dropped, y'all could say flop or break, but they made enough for everyone is what I'm going to say. So sneakers has gone up. $115 for these. I got them straight from the sneakers app. They came yesterday. Allergies was kicking my behind, but I got the review to y'all today, man, and I like them. Part of the ugly duckling pack. I feel like these, well, I like the ceramic. I think these were called the orange joints. I like those ones better, but these definitely were number 2 for me. You don't see these color combinations on soft texture like this ever, man. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Thanks for watching, everybody. Get rich. Jones on the soundtrack.